The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everybody, this is Dean with MCS Software, and we are going to be showing you the new features of 1.5 Newton. This upgrade should be released within the next week, and we just want to show you some of the new features. We've modified some reports, and we've also made some changes, hopefully for the better. We are recording this, so in case you do want to watch this at a later date, we will have a broadcast of this. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is we have totally revamped the cafeteria setup. The cafeteria setup is now consolidated into one screen. So if you would click on Administration and Maintenance, Cafeteria Setup, and Cafeterias, you'll now see that the group has been consolidated into a single screen. If you highlight one of the schools, and hit the Edit button, you will now see that the schools have all been tabbed with everything that you need to set for that school. All the settings, POSID grade ranges, schools, feeder schools, and there's also a new tab called Income and Expense Accounts. I will show you that here in a little bit. Whenever you bring a new school on now, you will go to the Admin and Maintenance, Cafeteria Setup, and Cafeterias, and if you click on the Add button, you now be able to add new schools. We've also have added a new repair feature to the cafeteria setup. If you click on Administration and Maintenance, you'll see the Round Newton button. If you click on the Round Newton button, you'll see Cafeteria Attachment. Cafeteria Attachment, you will see a Repair button. If you click on this Repair button, we now have two options for repair. One is to pack and repair only. This feature is in the current version. And then this new feature is called a full recovery, where it will completely rebuild your database. So if you are getting errors and this one does not repair them, then do the full recovery, and this will certainly repair it. The other thing we've done is we've made some significant enhancements to the subscription now. So if you are going to subscribe to a student, you would click on Point of Sale, Maintenance, and Customers. When you click the Add button and you subscribe to an existing customer record and you click OK, when you do a search for that student and you highlight that student and click the OK button, you now see we have several new features regarding the subscription of the student. If you choose none, that means there are no special circumstances for the student and he will remain in your database. If you choose a regular attendee, you can now set this regular attendee to be defined by the date set up in System Settings, or you can set it to never expire, or you can now expire him based on a specific date. And these same features are available as a guest subscription. So as you can see, we have made some major improvements to the subscription service now. We have repaired an existing problem that we had on some of the larger districts where they were running an account statement on a customer. Whenever they were running an account statement on a customer, and it was taking quite a long time, we now have improved that to where the report is responding in a much faster fashion. We have also, in this new version, added support for a third-party online payment service. So now Newton can interface with most of the online payment services out there. We would just have to give them the layout for the XML file, but we now can accept most third-party imports. Okay, this next section is going to be the new software features. I'm going to go over each feature with you. If you click on Administration and Maintenance, click on Cafeteria Setup, and then click on the cafeteria templates, you will see that we have added several new features to the cafeteria template. Let me maximize this for you. Now, the first section is now you can define how many days a regular subscription can expire, and this could be set globally in a template. You can also now define how many days a guest is set up in the subscription service. So once you set the 7 days here, once you subscribe to a student as a guest, he will automatically expire after 7 days. We have added some rules for which customers you want to include in your letters when you generate your charge letters. You can now include letters for feeder rules. You can include letters for feeder groups. And now you can include letters for regular subscribers. So if they attend your school on a regular basis, you can now print their charge letters from that cafeteria. We have also added a place to estimate your cost per labor hours here, so it can automatically be populated at the posting screen. And this new setting here is called Default to Print Receipts. This right here will automatically print a receipt for every payment, refund, and correction that's performed in the customer maintenance section. Moving down, under serving lines, we have a new section, and this one is Include Inactives on Serving Line Days, which means that you can now set the inactives to continue to show up on your point-of-sale line for a set number of days, and after they've reached that day, they will no longer be sent to the point-of-sale line.